What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Good morning from wherever you're tuning in from. Good morning. We're about to hit live now. We're pushing in five, four, three, two. Hey guys. It's good to have you guys back on the chat. And today's Friday, and so far so good. The entire week we have placed just three trades, and we managed to have about three wins and managed to have three wins and sorry, three trades, two wins and one SL. The two wins is on gold. The L is on GJ, which is not really my favorite pair, but I tend to trade it here and there once in a while when I see opportunity to trade it. So let's move over to my chart right now. Let's see what's going on. Let's know. Let's start. So Friday we have GBP news by 9:40, and we also have card news by 1:30. So this Friday, I might not even stream long. Friday is a day that people tend to lose money, or um, a day that people tend to recover all the money they have lost, or and also a day people tend to blow their account. So most left for me, I think Friday should be Monday and Friday should be days that people should try to avoid trading. But as a trader, you just tend to want to look at the chart. So let's go over to my chart real quick and let me see what's going on gold, and let me work my way through from gold to other time frame that we're going to see. So let me clear up all the charts and let me go to my daily time frame. So yesterday ended bearish, expecting the previous day bias, which was also bearish. So you can see that this was a bearish candle, and you can also see that this other candle um, came out to us the bearish candle. You can see it went up for a retest, creating a daily highs. This was the daily highs, but never failed to break the previous high. And if you watch yesterday's video, I mentioned that price has created it. Price came back to test the daily resistance, and we had like a daily support below here. So it's kind of like a double top now. It's looking like a double top formation. So we will see a break to the downside or a back to the upside, maybe price creating a new all-time high. We never know. We don't know. All we can do is react to what price is doing. We can say that this is what we want price to do, but we cannot actually predict the actual move market wants to do. All we can do is react to what price is currently doing. That's the only thing we can do as a trader. You can't predict. We're not the one that move the market. We just um, trade based on what we have seen in the past and logic. So that's just all. So looking at our current day is created a low, but we don't know if this is our daily low for the day or price has not even created its own daily high for price to fall down. We don't know yet, but we will know soon enough. So looking at the 4 hour time frame, the 4 hour has its own support um around this level too. You can see it, and currently it's also creating a level of resistance above here, or we figure that out on the lower time frame. So let me just draw it below this level because this is a strong level. You can see it, this is a strong level the part that we tested. So let me draw my resistance in this zone here as my resistance level, because price has rejected off that level multiple times. And you can see that the previous 4 hours came down, pushed down, had a strong bearish move to the downside. You see how strong the move was, but failed to continue pushing backward, and there's a lot of bias, bullish bias to the upside, and came back to strong bullish um, in between the zone, in between the range. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour, you can see that price has created. Now this is looking like bearish continuation based on, you can see this is the high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then this is the low again, lower low, lower high. So this is like a break and retest of structure for price before the downside. This is what I'm also seeing here. You get based on the bias is already bearish, and price is also looking like I might want to just fall. So regardless of that, as a scalper we tend to trade based on what we see at that moment and react the way we see the price. So I will look for what the price is telling me at that moment. I'm going to do it. So let me jump down to my 30-minute time frame, which is 30 and 15 minutes is one of my best entries. You can see a lot of rejection to the downside. The price is failing multiple times to continue pushing downwards. It's failing. So you might actually see a break of high. If anything, if I'm looking for buys because there are cleaner buys above. You see the line I draw hold it holds very strong. So this is a very strong area. This is a very strong resistance level where we can possibly see opportunities in the market. So I'm going to mark this as my buys. So this is where I'm looking for buys. So I put buys there. So I put buys above there. Yeah, I put buys. So this is how to put buys. I put buys above. You get me? So this is how I put buys above. Then for sales, seeing the buyers initially from the top down analysis, it's actually showing me that this is a sell market. So I think that I'm going to react of this level because price has created a support level. Yeah, this is the price has created. So I think I'm going to react of this area. If I see a bearish close with the volume with London volume coming in pretty much soon. If I see a bearish close, yo, like price closing like this, closing below, I have to say close below, and I see some kind of rejection to the upside. Then at the flip of this candle, I look to short the market to the downside, look for sales below this structure. So this is what I'll be looking for. Like this is what I'm looking to react to when I see it in the market. We have like 9 more minutes for this candle to close. So I'll just wait and see exactly what the candle is going to tell us, like what's it going to do in order for me to look to enter the market or not. So that's basically it. I have to just react to what the market shows me at that particular point in time. So that's the only thing I'm going to react to on the chart. So nothing else. I'm not being brought out. I'm not open my any of my MetaTrader. They are all closed. My both MetaTraders are closed on my PC because I've not seen what I want. Price does not give me that any edge that I will look to place a trade on this chart. So so that's just it. So while we are waiting for gold to play around and do this thing, so I think I'm actually going to analyze just while we wait time. I think I'm going to analyze. Sorry, I'm going to analyze two different pairs. I'm going to check DJ, and I'm also going to check G to see what's going on. So let's let me check. If you have any pair you want me to look at, just let me know. So let me check. Let's check DJ. Let's start with DJ, and let's see what DJ is telling us right now. So let's go over to the daily. Let's start from the daily. Let's see what this. So the DJ daily is bullish. The daily candle, the previous daily candle. You can see how bullish it is. And let me clear off everything here. And you can see that the daily buyers close bullish above this level. You can see we had a strong bullish close above this resistance level, but this is like, can this be a fake out or price just coming down to retest, creates a daily low before actually pushing to the upside, which is the daily buyer. So we expect price, if price will flip bullish and break above this level, we expect price to get to this level here, which is around 60 pips after the flip of the candle. Sorry, around 76 pips. Yes. So let's go over to 4 hours and let's check what the 4 hours is telling me currently, so I can work my way through to the current candle where price is. So this is the 4 hours time frame. Sorry, let's go back to daily first of all. So let's identify the daily high. So this is the daily high. So let's go up back to our 4 hours. So 4 hours, you can see that the daily high is respected, which means price created a level of resistance on that daily high, and where the price likely drop before we can look to go long. So looking at my left hand side, there are rejections all around this place. So there's possibility that price might be coming down to this level to retest before it's looking to push back to the upside. So looking at my 1 hour time frame, you can see there's also a minor level. It's not minor because this is level where price pushed up from. So we can see that there is a level of resistance where price can come back, which will serve as support level um on this side. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just adjust it to this upside because that's where price is currently trying to retest. Price is trying to retest this area right now. You can see that's touched it. So in order for me to look for buys, there should be opportunities from around this place. So I need a bullish closure above this level in order for me to look for opportunities to go long on TV. So I need market to bring some bullish momentum to the upside. Or you can still get it sell. You can get the bullish momentum and break of structure, which is this, and price keep falling downwards. So that is what we see on TJ. This for the buy, this for the sell. But I don't think I'm even going. I don't even think I'm going to get close to TJ at all because there's a lot of rejections. We're going to meet a lot of rejections along the way. A lot of rejections. So that's it. So you want to buy DJ around 192.594 and sell it around 192.370. So that is my analysis on DJ, and I'm going to go over to my final one, which is GBP USD. So let's see what the price is telling us in GBP USD. GBP USD should be cool, but it doesn't move. Like they don't really move. If I'm trading GBP USD, I'll be looking for 4 or 5 feet move because that's it. It don't really move like gold. That's basically the whole point. They don't really move like gold. So one second, guys. So guys, let's go over to the daily on GPP and let's see what is going on. So GPP price has closed very strong bearish below our area of interest. So this is an area of interest. Price has closed strong bearish. It has even fallen down, but is back at the entry. This is the entry. This is the opening candle. This is where the opening candle is on the daily. And probably market is waiting for London section to give us a bias of this current candle. But currently, price has created a low, and I don't know if it has created this high yet, or probably this is just a fake out as well. But looking at my left, there's a level here where price retested. Price retested this daily level here. This is where price retested. So I cannot give you for a firm fact that this is the place price wants to stop before actually moving up or down. So let us go over to our 4 hour time frame and let's see what's going on the 4 hours. On the 4 hours, we have a 4 hours support below the structure, which price like almost tapped. This is the place that price almost tapped on the 4 hour, and on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we have a 1 hour resistance above this level here. You can see the 1 hour resistance that price has created. So looking at this level here, um, buys might be good above this level, price to break above this level. So let us wait patiently and see. Yeah, DJ good looking, but sorry, GP USD might be good around this level, but still on still, it's not my pair. It's not a pair I like to trade. Or this is what might happen. This is what might happen since the buyers look like a sell. This is exactly what I feel will happen right now. Looking at it, but yet again, I don't expect it to happen that way. I'm just expected to react of the market and what the market gives to me. So you might see a bullish closure above this zone like this, and then you might see a bearish closure below the structure this way. Then we can sell since the bias is bearish. So something like this and sell off the market. So something like this is something that might actually occur in the market, and you look to go for short or long. In 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. So let me clear off everything here, and let me go back to. I think I'm done with the analysis. I'm done with the analysis. It's around 21 minutes to do a proper analysis. If you just come in and you miss the whole breakdown, you can just go back to the video, rewind, and see the analysis that we dropped on the chart. So I go back to gold and see what gold is doing. So gold is trying to push up. It's actually trying to push up. It's actually trying to push the upside. So let's just wait and see if we get a strong bullish close, like price closing like this. There's basically like 3 or 4 scenarios how this can play out. I'm going to show you like if you actually want to play out for buy, I'm going to show you like all the scenarios that price can literally do here. I mean, so we can see might likely see a bullish closure like this with a weak rejection, and price will come down for a retest and buy like this. This is the first one we might use to likely enter the market, or price will close um like this. Then we might see a bearish rejection to the downside like this. Then after this, the next candle we might see a bullish momentum to the upside like this. Then you need to buy the market at the break of the high. So this is all the possible ways in which markets can create a structure where we can trade and actually make money from. So that's what I'm looking at on gold currently. That's what I'm looking at currently on gold. So if you see any opportunities, if I actually see any opportunities, I'm going to jump right in and you just look to make money from it. So that's it, guys. Please leave a like on the stream. If you're tuning in, just leave a like on the stream, guys. So I think that's about it. There's nothing more again. I think that's what it's all about. So let's wait for, let me close this and let's wait for let's say the candle is closed. Okay, the candle has closed. So we're currently at, wait, let me check out something quickly. Let me check out the 1 hour and go. Okay, we actually have a 30 minutes close above and an hourly close to above. Should I give this a try? Should I give this a try? So the only thing that doesn't correspond here is the 15 minutes. That's the only thing that doesn't correspond to this analysis. So I'm thinking if I should actually give it a try, or I should just properly wait for this 15 minutes to close above. Should I give it a try? Okay, I think I will wait. I'll wait. Like I said, today is Friday. I don't want to go around jumping on any trade just like that. So I will wait for a break above. We might miss the trade in the process, but I'm fine with it. So I think I'll just wait for a break above of structure, so we can actually jump in on this trade. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait for price to break above, then I'll look to jump in, because the first of all, the level from here to here, definitely I'm not entering the trade here. You have to be above here. So from here to this area of resistance, it's just 15 feet. So where do I want to put my stop loss? So this is going to be, first of all, going to be a very poor risk to reward. You get me? It's going to be a very poor risk to reward, and that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to avoid this. And secondly, I just have to wait. I just have to wait. I have to wait for a clear. I have to wait for something clear so I can look to jump in. to wait. So that's it for analysis. It's try started moving. So let's see. Let's see how it plays out. If it play out good, fine. If it doesn't, fine. But we wait for our initial bias, which is a break of this high. Then we look to go long above the highs. So you see that price has actually, after it broke this place, it has stopped. It has stopped. But we wait. We just have to wait. We have about 10 more minutes to go. So we wait for 10 minutes and see if we will get any entry or not. And but on 30 minutes it's good. On the 1 hour it's perfect. Like it's good. I'm not gonna lie about it. It's actually really good. Like if today wasn't Friday, I think I would have taken the opportunity. But yet again, if you look at the 1 hour, you can see that right from year to year, there's a lot of hiccups along the way. So it's better I wait for the trade to actually play out completely. Like let me see the closure that I want. You get let me see that closure. You just have to wait for the next 9 minutes. Then if we get that 15 minutes close, then we need to jump in. Which is our risk, so we don't lose profit or make any big profit or made this week and call it today. And hopefully this trade doesn't just start moving mad. Because gold can move mad. You can decide to break this high and run. And how what can do. And mind you, okay. It is rejecting of that level. You see our price is rejecting of their level. Let me take this out. I'm not taking this. Let me take this out. Let me stick with my initial bias, my initial analysis, and this is it. So actually, um, after price broke above this high here, which is this candle. Let me look at the 5 minutes. Yeah. This was the first indication that you could buy the market from here. Price above here, stop loss below this level. This 1 to 1. So this is it. But I don't trade in the zone, man. Like I said, this is Friday. I don't go around just placing any random trade. And like when I'm placing a trade, I know that this is a trade that I actually would enter any time of the day. So that's just it. So I don't go around placing any random trade. I don't know if I'm making sense. I hope I'm actually making sense. So let me see. Let me bring out the guns. Let me bring out the guns. Let me 7 more minutes. So let me open my 25. Although price already moved like 100 pips. Everybody moving these days scary. Very scary. So 6 more minutes for us to decide if we're going to place the trade on gold or we're going to want to leave it to play around. So I've that's my telegram. So I'm setting up stuff in case I see if the trade plays out the way it is, so I can call out the trade as well. And that'll be it. Hopefully it doesn't move before we actually want to enter the trade. Like hopefully it doesn't move. Hopefully it doesn't move. What's up, guys? So guys, this fucker didn't really wait for us. Sorry guys for the word, but we can still we can likely still get the trade. We just need to close, like come back it down, or close the way it is. Yeah, close the way it is. I need a strong bullish. I need a bullish closure. I need a strong bullish closure. I don't want it to close the way it's closing. I need like a strong belief down. And we're going back. We're going back. Crazy. Crazy. We're going back. I was hoping for some bullish move. You have like 3 seconds to this on the end and I need to close above. So if you don't get the closure above, that's it guys. We tried. My telegram is not opening. I'm trying to put my telegram open. Okay for now. No, I don't think we're getting any opportunities guys. I don't think yeah. I don't think we are getting any opportunities. I don't think I don't think we are getting any opportunities in the market. I mean, there's nothing to see here, guys. Though there's nothing to see at all. I'm just trying to figure out what I can do with my phone to buy with that because it shows back into the zone. Yeah, So guys, if you're just joining now, I'm actually waiting for gold to break above, like have a 15-minute close above this level. So this is what I'm actually waiting for on gold. So nothing really to see here, just looking for a bullish closure above. Then I'm looking to place a trade. So that's the only thing I'm looking on gold currently right now. That's it. So this 15 ends in 5 minutes and 30 minutes. Um, you guys can remember the 30 minutes resistance. You can see it's holding crazy. And this would have been a good buy. Not gonna lie. This but I didn't see this. We wait, guys. Sorry for the young. We wait. But looking at the whole structure, knowing that this is like double top, and on the 5 minutes, price try to push to the upside, but field and come back down. If the 30 minutes can, this particular 30 minutes can flip bearish and close, that should be a 50 minutes engulfing. I might look to sell the market. I might look to sell the market from around here to the downside because the bias is still a bit bearish. You have a bearish bias. Okay, you have a bearish bias. So I might look to sell the market, but it all depends on how this 13 minutes decides to close. You get me? So let's see. So I'll look to sell. I need to place a sell below this 30 minutes low. So what exactly what I need is um some kind of a bearish closure. Um, Race closing is good. Race movement currently is good because I'm looking at the whole analysis. So if I see a bearish closure around here, like this, I might look to look like this, right? So this is what I would likely look for on gold, but I have to just wait. I have to wait. I have to wait. So I like the way the candle is moving. As long as it doesn't move too much, it stays the way it is. Then this is looking like a good buy for us. But we just have to wait, like I said. Meanwhile, let's look at other pairs that we analyzed today. Let's look at GJ nothing, um, gold, yeah. So we keep taking it. I say buy research from here, continue thinking about. That's it. And let's go back to our gold and let's get ready for a possible sell. I'll just go low on rigs. So if I should pull my rig, um, for five, okay. In 30 minutes, so you can see it's more like a fake out too as well on the 30 minutes. And let's look at that left. Look at that left. Yeah, it's closing below this level, which is good. Which is good. It's closing below that level. So I don't want it to pop down. I need to just up a bit. Then look for opportunities. Like let's see if it gets up a bit. Okay, it seems like the sell might not play out. Like the buy might actually come in place. Looking at the whole structure, but we just wait because it's pushing the bearish momentum is actually very hot right now. Okay. So because buys on gold is a lot better than this capital I'm trying to force my way in. So first off, look at this. You just wait. Wait for it to show. It didn't play out, so you just wait for. Don't wait yet. So wait for. I mean, let's do a proper. Let's do a analysis back again. Let's do analysis back again. Let's do analysis back again. Mm, 11 minutes. Wait. So let's see. Let me confirm if I don't have any opportunities open anywhere. If I don't have, if I don't have. So let's wait. This is the actual. This is the actual setup I'm waiting for on gold. Like this is the legit what I want. I want price to get above for me to buy. And at this point, I think it's here I'll actually wait for myself. But if we can get that closure we need in the next 10 minutes, I'll look for a bit of rejections. Then I can buy the price to the upside. That's what I want on gold. That's exactly what I'm looking for on gold. Like that's what I want. Okay. So just wait. Just have to wait. You have no choice but to wait for opportunities. Market to do something so we can place the trade or miss the trade because we might decide to move and we might not get any. I decide to move but we might not get any opportunity. So I posted a video on TikTok and on IG and on YouTube, if I'm not mistaken. So go check it out. Okay, I don't think I've posted the video on YouTube. Let me check. Let me check. I don't think I posted the video on YouTube yet. Yeah, I put it on YouTube. So go check it out. Check it out. Like this video. Yeah. Check it out. guys, in the next few minutes, if we don't get any significant trade, we don't get anything, we don't get a break, we don't get what I need in the next 5 to 15 minutes. Um, I'm very getting tired of looking at the chart. So I started volume and I started some good trades, but the only trade that has happened today was this buy, and it was moved around 50 pips, which is crazy. Let me look at it from 15 minutes. From here, yeah, 40 pips, and we had like 30 pips of loss. This is like 25 pips of loss. So even if this is 115, 221, sorry, or whatever they call it, you get. I think it's my mic, but I'm gonna fix it. Tell me if it sounds better. Does it sound better now? Um, the mic. Okay, let me confirm it. Let me turn on my stream on the other side. But I'm still waiting for this trade to play out. I'm waiting for gold to break above the structure. So I look for buys. If you rewind, let me check the volume of my speaker. Let me check how it sounds. Let me use my phone to check. Let my phone to check how it's sounding like. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? I hope it's better now. I hope it sounds better now. So, gold is about to close in the next 1 minute, and we are actually having a break above structure. So, I'm going to send this analysis to the charts now, and let's see if we could get a trade soon. So, I'm going to bring up my MetaTrader on my platform right now. Let me go to Telegram. Let me start looking at what will likely happen on gold. Because I'm looking at trading gold right now, but I need it to come down for a retest. After it close, I need a bit of retest so I can put a stop loss, so I can have a decent stop loss on gold so we can actually buy it. So that's what I'm looking for. So that's basically what I'm looking for. So let me adjust this. Wherever the low is, I can have a 70 pip stop loss. So wherever the low is, that's where I'll put my stop loss as. So let's see. Hopefully it doesn't close with a topic because I need this candle to close with a topic so I can look to going for buys. Um, 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Okay, can you pull back? Can you pull back? I need a bit of pullback. So this is what I'm looking for on gold. Once the candle flip bullish and breaks above its own high, I should be in for longs. So I've set my buy stop. I've sent it to the group, and hopefully we'll make money from this trade. Hopefully we'll make money from this trade because I've been waiting and I honestly want to close the stream. So hopefully we'll make some money off this gold, and that's it, guys. Hopefully we make some money off this trade. So this is analysis. Let me send it to the group. Copy link. I like the way it's retested. I came down, so it's good. It came down that way. So let's see if this trade will play out or we are just playing around. So let's see. Once I get activated, I'll let you guys know. Like if I even get activated. Because gold is mad. Like gold is crazy, man. Hit the retracement. We've done the retracement. So now if this candle breaks below its own low, we wait, guys. We wait. So on my phone, monitoring the one on my phone, which the chat has not been activated yet. It hasn't been activated yet, so I'm still waiting for to see how it's going to play out. We hopefully we close the week strong. Hopefully we close the week strong because this is that's the trade. After this trade, and that's it. Hopefully we close the week strong. So I got my buy stop set. So I'm looking to catch this 40 pip. So let's see. Once price moves, today I'm looking to hold the trade actually. So once it breaks above this high, like once it breaks above here and it moves like 20 pip, I'm looking to just move myself to break even and hold it. Like I will just hold it to see how far it pushes. So that's my plan for today. So that's like my plan for today. Oh, waiting. If you guys rewind the video, I told you guys I had like two buyers for this trade. If you just take this video backward, like let me show you. Like let me show you what I'm anticipating in this trade. Let me see if I can. Um, this is it. This is what when I was analyzing gold, and I was saying that this is what I'm expecting gold to do. Right, so this is it. Like the second scenario where I'll look to enter the price, and price might likely do that here. Or if it doesn't, is this once this just close bridge back in the zone, then I'll call it a day. That's it. So I gave you guys two instances of what I expect price to do. But if it doesn't do that, this is what it is. I'll call it a day and come back on Monday. No trade place today. We're still up two wins for the day. Um for the week, sorry, we're still up two wins for the week. So that's about it. We're still up. I don't know what's wrong with my system today, but it's just hooking, it's just hanging, it's just doing what it's doing. I don't even understand. But anyways, we are waiting patiently for nothing. I just waiting patiently for nothing. But if we can get this candle closing week bearish, but week bearish above this level of resistance, then I'm still looking for opportunities. But if we can't closes like this, man, I'm done. Like I'm so done. I have no business in the chat again. Till next week. Yes, it's next week. So I explained to you guys that I was in drawdown in my Profile account, my 100K Profile account. I was coming into this week, I was already in like 6% drawdown. But I'm I'm happy to announce that I'm just in points. Just the only two trades replaced. I will call out. I'm already back at close to break even now. I'm in 0.5% drawdown. So that is, so I'm taking everything. I was rushing before. I was basically rushing the whole process before because the initial I've traded profit in the past, and it gave me some threshold amount of money in the past, some special amount. So I know that the point where I passed it is like my first trial. I passed it between phase one and phase two between 2 weeks. I know I was done with my phase one and phase two. Then, and this was the profile I was using then was my FOREX fund, which was one of the first program that crashed then. So it was my first one I was using before other program came on. So I'm using the one I'm using now. I was just watching the whole process and I got in drawdown. So I had to like create an actual plan on how I intend to pass it. So that's what I'm doing now. So that's how I'm able to get back to 0.5%. And I'm still going to do it. So the reason why I'm saying that this trade I'm going to hold is because I don't mind. Once it moves 10%, once you just move 10 people, I'm already back to break even on my profile. So I just tend to hold it. Let me see if it might actually move. But there's lack of volume in the markets currently. But I will see if we can hold it. If I can actually get some runners on gold, because if gold want to move, like, and funny enough, all the trades I've been holding this week, like sorry, all the trades I've been cutting short early this week, haven't have been running over 100 people. I'm always cutting them short. Let's not be like it's the one I want to now basically hold. But I already set my loss. If I'm to lose, I'm losing around 1.3% on the account. So I'm already left room for possibility of me losing money on the trade. So always leave room for that. So that's it. So expect the best and also expect the worst on the trade. So always have that mentality. So like I said, I want this candle to close back into the zone, like weak bearish. But if it doesn't, that'll be all for like that will basically be all, because price is rejecting this level. This level is rejecting so bad. So let's just see how it plays out though. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out. I'm still very much active looking for opportunities. So let's just see how the whole structure forms. Then I'll know how I'm going to respond to the trade. So that's just it. So I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. So we have like 2 more minutes. I'm excited. So I think I will delete my buy stops. I'm going to delete my buy stop and wait. Um, I'm going to delete my buy stops and wait. I think that's what I'm going to do. Well, let's keep it down first. Let's keep it down first. Let's keep it down first. It's not ending the way I want. So I think today is actually my longest stream. I think this is my longest stream. Waiting for a trade that is not waiting for me. Okay, I think I'm deleting my buy stops. Deleting my buy stops. You don't need to force something that doesn't want to do what you want it to do. So I feel like I've deleted my buy stop. Let me show you group delete buy stop. So guys, I think that'll be all for the stream. That's all. We tried, we waited for opportunities, but None actually presented itself. Like there was no any clean opportunities we could capitalize off today. So I think that'll be basically be all for today. I think that'll be all. I can't be here forcing trade that does not want to be forced. So I think a faker will play out nice if you're probably looking to sell this price from here. But price never activated though, so it didn't like I said, I dropped my buyers for the market, what I wanted price to do. Exactly what I want price to play out. Price didn't play out that way. So since it didn't play out that way, I have no business trading it. So I've actually even shut down my mental trader platform already. Like it shut down. Yeah, this is forest. This is forest. This is forest. Yeah. But this is gold. I'm actually trading gold. It's mostly gold I trade. Gold is bear I trade most of the time. Like I trade gold. So what I'm about to shut the stream. The stream started like 1 hour, almost close to 1 hour 30 minutes ago. So I'm about to actually shut down the stream. We didn't get any trades. I was actually waiting for opportunities. I was looking for buyers above this level on gold, but the candle after it opened, it didn't push up. It just went down. If you go back to the stream, like towards the beginning of the stream, you see when I was when I gave a proper breakdown on what I was looking for on the stream and how I wanted price to what I wanted price to do so I can enter it either for a buy or for a sell. But that didn't play out. That didn't play out at all. So I'm just gonna call it a day because today's Friday, so I can't be desperately looking for trades since I'm already up for the week. I'm already up for the week, and you can see my this stream started this week, so you can see this is the entire trade we have placed this week and this month, which is just three. So we had two wins and one loss, and the loss is on GJ, and it was a 6 pip loss. So we're literally up around 130 people for the week. So that's it. That'll be all for today. So please do give the stream a like. We are still new in all this streaming stuff. I'm still trying to get my feet on the ground. Please give a like, subscribe, and let's. I tend to want us to make money together streaming every day. I'll be coming online daily looking for opportunities, and anytime it's opportunities we can make money together or take an L together. So that's just it. And I think I've said my part. So see you guys on Monday. Do have a wonderful weekend. Stay blessed and stay refreshed. And make sure you don't blow your trading account. Make sure you don't blow your trading account.